A Washington County man sentenced to 140 years in prison will get a new trial after new developments surface. Take a look at how a misstep during the initial trial will give the man a second chance at life. Back in March 2016, 57-year-old Chris Taffner was sentenced to nearly a century and a half of jail time after a court found him guilty of rape and sexual assault of 3 children. But documents protected by law by the Department of Human Services were never seen by the court. Deputy Prosecuting Attorney Brian Lamb says these were important files intended to be reviewed by the judge before conviction.
There's something here maybe that could have helped the defendant in his defense, and so by virtue of that decision, he was granted a new trial.
The Constitution says that the state has to give a criminally accused everything. They have to give them everything that's favorable.
On Wednesday, Judge Mark Lindsay of the Washington County Circuit Court ordered Taffner's conviction to be vacated to give him a new, fair trial.
So it's an oversight on my part, it's an oversight on the defense's part, and it's oversight on the court's part. We all bear responsibility.
Beginning sometime next year, the courts will reassemble to start from scratch and once again put Taffner on trial.
And so essentially it was an oversight. You know, it's a pretty costly oversight. We're going to have to go through the time and expense of another trial. We'll have to get these 3 children back here to testify again and go through the whole trial again.
You want to give the defense as much of a leg up as possible because we don't want innocent people in jail.
The exact date for the retrial has not been set yet, but the deputy prosecuting attorney says it should begin late spring or early summer.